going to be cutting this concrete, which I've already put some cuts in so the skid steer can lift it up. What I'm going to cut that all out so we can pick up these chunks and then pick up the smaller thicken on chunks last, just because the skid steer is not big enough. They have bigger skid steers than what we got. That's what we're going to have to do. So sit back, watch, enjoy it. Hopefully it works out. If you're wondering what saw I'm using the Steel TS420 garden hose hookup. Virtually no dust when you're doing this. If you were to dry cut this, you definitely need to be wearing a mask because of all the silica dust. But with having the water running, virtually no dust, you should be okay. Earplugs for your ears, safety glasses, otherwise your ears are going to ring for a long time if you don't wear proper safety equipment, so make sure you got that on.
So as I'm going through cutting this, there's two ways you could have done it. You could have rented a big air-powered jackhammer with a compressor that's like on a trailer that you pull behind your truck, or you could do it this way. One other way is you could have an attachment that goes on the skid steer. Was older, so we didn't have that attachment. I really didn't feel like lugging around a 120-pound jackhammer to try to bust this up. So actually my friend gave me the idea. He's like, here, take my concrete saw, try this out, make cuts, relief cuts, and then do it this way. Was it more work? Definitely. Would it have been easier if you had the attachment on the skid steer? By far. And it worked out okay. Would I do it again and save the money? Gosh, I don't know. For what they were gonna do it for, I still saved a couple $1,000, so I guess to me it was worth it. I would rather put that back into the new garage. So that's just a little info on how I did it and some options that you have if you ever have to remove this amount of concrete on your own. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications. And if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Enjoy the video.